Willie from Electrosonic here again. So now I'd like to tell you about the wireless screen sharing options of the V7 interactive panel. So if we go and we swipe to the right of the screen, you'll notice that it shows you quite a couple of ways that you can wirelessly screen share. I'm just going to go through two of the most popular ones that we often use. So the first is the MAXHUB sharing app. So it's just an app that you install on your laptop, and you'll see that in the corner of the screen up here, there's a code that it'll prompt you to enter into the software. So in order for this to work, the V7 needs to be on the same network as your laptop. So you'll then type in the code, or what you'll see is it'll actually come up there if it's already on your network. So to simplify it, you can just click on there and then say start sharing, and you'll see that my laptop is now wirelessly screen sharing to the panel. So the benefits of this is not only that you can leave your laptop anywhere on the table and then present, but you also have touch feedback to the laptop again. So if I now go in here, then I'm controlling my laptop. So my laptop can be wherever on the table, and then I can access whatever I need to for my presentation. And then I can show what I would like to show. And if I wanted to annotate on anything on the screen, I can do that. I have those features available to me. And another way that you can screen share, if we just go back there, is the dongle. So you'll find that some companies don't really want to allow guests onto their network. So then we have a solution with the MAXHUB wireless screen sharing dongle, where you can give this to a guest. They would plug this into their laptop either via USB-C or USB-A, because it's got this little adapter. And then they would plug it into their laptop, and they would be able to wirelessly screen share that way. When you do wireless screen sharing, it allows you up to 4 devices. So they can be either 2 tablets and 2 laptops, or 4 laptops, but it allows you 4 devices that you can share to the screen. Another important part of the MAXHUB screen sharing is that you can do BYOD. So how that works is you'd go into the MAXHUB sharing app, click on BYOM or BYOD, and then you'll switch that on. It'll connect over there, and then you can see that now I've got access to the microphone and the camera and the speakers of the V7 panel. So this is for people that prefer to do meetings from their laptop. So we can run Teams from our laptop and pull the peripherals from the screen. So we can make use of the camera and the microphones and the speaker of the V7 panel, which will give us a lot better quality. Or you can run Teams on board of the panel. So you have those 2 options available to you.